Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures using the Clipchamp app. If you don't know how to add pictures to your Clipchamp app, then this tutorial is for you. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the new video option right here. Now, instead of choosing the video, choose the pictures that you want to add using the Clipchamp app. After choosing the pictures, simply tap onto next. Now here you can find the pictures has been added to your video timeline. Now you can edit your pictures freely. And that's it. This is how you can add pictures on the Clipchamp app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.